Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is John Vine, and what we're going to be talking about today is Clubhouse. What is this app? Should you get it? Is it worth it? All that kind of stuff. And I don't know about you guys, but recently I've been hearing about Clubhouse. I've heard about it for the last week or so. I didn't really know what it was, but as a social media, I figured I was intrigued because it was something new, and I figured I might as well get it, so I downloaded it. And instantly what you can realize is that you need an invite to join, but one of the things you can do is reserve your username, right? So that's what I did. I went on, I reserved my username, and I just waited. And then, eventually I got nominated. I got nominated a couple of days ago. And so, I figured I'd join the app, I'd take a look around and, kind of do my first impressions with you guys. And so basically what I've done is reserve my username. You can see here I have one follower. Big things are happening, and I'm following one person. I connected my Instagram and my Twitter, and then you can see who nominated me. So, basically, from my basic understanding of this app is that you just go on and there's a ton of rooms, as you can see here, and you can join these rooms. And what's in these rooms is that it's only voice chat. This entire app is kind of built around, voice chat. So kind of think of it as like a Discord server. It's kind of like you create a room where people can join. Some people are allowed to speak, some people are not allowed to speak. And then, you just listen to the people talking. It's like a ongoing podcast kind of, or like I like to describe it, an ongoing Discord channel. So, this is the homepage of the app. Right away, you can see that. So what you can do is you can follow people. From the bat, I can see that you can just find more people to follow. It probably brings up some of your contacts. And so what you can do is you can send invites through your contacts. Now you can see that I have no invites to send out, so I can't do that yet. But once I get some invites, I'll send some of my friends. Maybe I might send some of you guys some invites. Who knows? But you have to, basically to join this app, you have to get invited in. And so this is the homepage. And what you can see is, there are a couple of rooms that you can join. So from the producers co-op house, good vibes, understanding the flow of energy. And basically what happens when you join these rooms is that you click on it and now you're in, right? So you can see from the top, sharing recordings without the speaker's permission violates the community guidelines. So I can't really share this audio with you guys, but what I'm going to be doing is just kind of showing you guys the UI. So these four people at the top are the speakers, and they can actually talk. You can see three of them are muted right now. If there's a gray circle around you, then that means you're actually talking right now, kind of like Zoom. But I don't know what these blue circles are. But basically, yeah, and these are all the people that are in the room. They're all muted. And what you can basically do to talk, if you're a viewer and you want to talk to them, you raise your hand, right? Here, hand raising was turned off by the moderators. I imagine that hand raising is always going to be turned off unless it's like no celebrities in the chat or like something like that, unless it's like a small room. But I don't see how if Kanye West is on Clubhouse and everyone's raising their hand, I don't see the point of that. But yeah, this is basically it. What you can do is you can close it down so it's still running in the background, and you can close the app too and it still runs. Or you can, raise your hand. What does this do? This invites someone into the room. And what does this do? This little thing up top, this little paper. I'm not sure what this does actually, so may have just found a bug, but whatever. So yeah, then you can just leave quietly and explore more rooms. So there's a ton of different rooms you can basically join in, and there's always some people talking. You see here there's 12 people, lunch with the team, don't know what that is, but yeah, so you can basically just find a room of random people and talk to them. So I don't really get the point of this, but maybe it's more for down the future. So you can start a room also open to everyone, open to people you follow, or just you choose who it is. So if I started a room, then there you go, I'm talking. And, obviously I can share this audio, but I won't. But you can see that, as I speak, the circle around me is gray, and you can tell that I'm talking, right? Then you can raise your hand, and I can turn off, limited to followed by the speakers. Turn off raising your hand, turn it on to only people that follow me, or open it to everyone. So it's basically just, a long form podcast. People can just join in, listen to, and then ask questions, raise their hands, stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and close my room. And basically that's it, right? So you can see people you follow that are online, and what you can also do is join these rooms, right? So if you click explore, it'll show you people in your contacts that also have Clubhouse, but then you can also find conversations, right? You can find these interesting groups about, let's say, life, right? You join here, it gives you some people that are big in this kind of hashtag or this kind of topic. I'm not sure what it is. But, you can follow clubs. I'm not sure how to create a club just yet. I tried to create a club, but I wasn't able to do it. But yeah, you can follow clubs, and then I don't know what kind of thing what this gives you. Yeah, so when you join a club, I think whenever someone's in it goes live, or the group can go live, you'll get notified. So then you can also join a group and then kind of, keep along with it and follow along with it. I don't know why this group's still open. Oh, no longer available. So, there's a couple of bugs. It's not going to be perfect. It's a brand new app, so that's to be expected. But it seems like an interesting idea. Basically, you join a room, you look for a room, and you just hear people talking, and you can join the conversation as well. So from what I can understand, in each one of these rooms, this 288 is how many people are. For example, this room in the middle, 288 people are in and only 4 are talking. So that was kind of ambiguous for me. What you can also do is click on the calendar at the top and see upcoming calls, right? Upcoming conversations that you can join. So today at 6 o'clock, International Day for Women, Girls in Science. Awesome. And then, Clubhouse versus Twitter versus Facebook. I don't know what you want to do there. LGBTQ plus in tech. It seems like there's a lot of LGBTQ plus and a lot of those kind of, women in tech, STEM groups. A lot of these kind of groups on here. So it's, good to see. Let me just leave this. I hope I wasn't talking there. And then you can also just click on your activity, see what's going on there. And yeah, so basically this is a pretty basic app. If you guys want to add me, John Vine, feel free to add me. I'll try and, start a conversation in Clubhouse eventually. But yeah, basically you just join conversations, you listen, kind of like listening to new podcasts. I don't know. I don't really get the point of it now, but maybe it'll come up in the future. It'll be bigger in the future. But in my opinion, this is a pretty cool app. It's a pretty cool concept of no text, no text chat. It's all over voice. And you can really converse with people. You can meet new people. I think in some of these groups, it's a pretty early app, so maybe some pretty influential people are joining some groups, and you can get a chance to talk to them or to hear something from them that you otherwise might not have if you joined Clubhouse. I think Elon Musk and Kanye West or something are going to be talking on Clubhouse. Might have seen him tweet something. I can't remember. But yeah, it's a pretty cool idea. It's a pretty cool concept. I'd recommend joining it. If you don't have it yet, and just kind of listen into a couple of things. At one point, my entire feed was Korean channels. I think it was Korean. I'm not really sure, but at one point it was all Korean. Nothing was English, and I couldn't understand a single thing. So that might happen to you, but don't worry. Now it seems like there's a couple of English rooms, and you can join in real basketball talk, And another thing that I've realized is that you don't need a lot of people in your room for you to get previewed on Clubhouse, right? Especially because it's so early. You see on the home pages, 21, 19, 11 people. And so if you can get a small group going, it could actually grow pretty fast, and then you can kind of, build a following. So I might try and, get a couple of you guys in here, and we can get a conversation going on Clubhouse. So yeah, guys, that's basically a tutorial of the app, what it is. Do I think it's worth it? I mean, it's free, so might as well. And you could find some interesting conversations. You could find some interesting content on here. So just give it a shot. I would, and I did. And I'm going to be, getting more involved with this app. So definitely recommend you guys to do it. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like the content, feel free to like and subscribe. Also leave a comment down below if there's anything you want to add to the conversation. I hope you guys like this video. As always, guys, take it easy, enjoy your coding, and have a good day.